Hello there. So today I'm going to show you how I made my anti-dandruff scalp treatment with tea tree oil and other some essential ingredients that you can use to treat your dandruff. And so if this is something that you are interested in, then definitely keep watching this video. So the ingredients I use here are Cocobentaine, which is a surfactant. I also use salicylic acid, which is an exfoliant and is good at taking care of dandruff. And so usually this salicylic acid is supposed to be diluted with propylene glycol, dissolved in propylene glycol. The next ingredient is tea tree essential oil, which is my main active ingredient here. So what I first do is to measure some amount of water. This time I'm doing just a little, so this is like 45 ml of water. You can do a lot, but I'm just doing something small for everyday application. So the next thing I do is also measure um, the salicylic acid in the propylene glycol. So what I'm gonna do is to use 3% of the mixture, but in order to do so, I'm just trying to dissolve some amount of the salicylic acid into the propylene glycol. This is not measured, just making sure that I'm making it as concentrated as possible. So this is how it dissolved in it, and now I'm ready to use 1.5%, which is 1.5 ml of it in the whole mixture. So I have here my salicylic acid and my water. The next thing I'm going to use or do is to add the Cocobentaine, and I'm using just 5 ml of Cocobentaine, not anything that much. It's just a little because I need some surfactants to be able to help me cleanse the hair with. So like I said, I'm measuring 1.5 ml of the salicylic acid, and I'm adding that to the mixture. Now, this is very good because it helps, it's an exfoliant, so it helps to take away or dissolve the dandruff residues that is in the hair. My next favorite ingredient is the tea tree oil, and I made a video about tea tree oil. I'll put it up there. Tea tree oil is very essential, and it's also great to be used in treating dandruff. So, if you want to know more about tea tree oil, I'll link the video up so that you watch that as well. So I added like 5 drops of the tea tree oil, and that is all, guys. This is all that I put in my DIY anti-dandruff treatment, and I use this on every weekly basis. So I applied this on my scalp, just my scalp, wash it off, and then style. Or when I'm due for wash day, I apply it first, wash it off, and then commence or begin with my normal wash day routine. So if you want to see how I apply this on my hair, you can also check out the video. I have put a link up here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next.